Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can send automated messages to your Telegram group or channel automatically or recurringly with a bot. The bot which I'll be using today is called Group Help Bot. You probably need the bot to manage your group, and you don't need any coding knowledge to begin with this bot. It's fairly simple to use. All you have to do is just give instruction to the bot and the bot will take care of everything. Imagine when you have a group or channel and it starts getting bigger and larger, probably you're going to have hard time managing your group. You're not going to keep an eye 24-hour day, 7 days per week. Sometime in your group chat, you don't want people to spam messages or flood your group with spam bot or promoting or advertising inside your group. And I can say this bot is awesome and can solve all this kind of problem. This bot even has the feature that can read the messages sent by someone in your group, and let's just say if it violates the instruction which you have given to the bot, it's going to delete the messages automatically for you. Maybe someone come to your group and start to spam their link, or for example certain kind of words such as offensive language or sensitive word, or maybe some people from different countries speak in different tongue. You don't want to have all these conversations stay in your group chat. That's why this bot will keep your group healthy and clean. So without further ado, let's get started. And I have my iPhone here. I'm going to begin by going to the Telegram apps. Now first we're going to do is to create a group for your Telegram. So you click on the new group and you are going to invite the bot to be inside your group. In this case, the name of the bot is called Group Help Bot, and we select the first one and we click on next. Now I'm going to give it the name for my group. In this case, I'll be giving it the name called Rocket Group. Now once you are done, click on create. Now you have your group invited inside your group. But before we begin to start the bot, we want to ensure that this bot is set to be the admin of this group as well. So we click on the right corner and select the edit, and then we go all the way down, click on the administrator and we click on the admin. Now we select the bot and we click on done. Now our bot has been invited to the group and as well as been promoted to be the admin of the group as well. Now once we are finished, we click on done and we click back. Now we are going to start the bot. We click on the setting and you are given the option either to have open in private chat or open here. And in this case, I'm going to open in private chat because I will be communicating with the bot, and the messages which I will be communicating with the bot, I don't want it to be populated in my group. So we click on the open private chat and we click on tab here, click restart bot. You can also start the bot by giving a command called /start, and you click on the admit to a group and you select the group that you want the bot to be invited. Then we click on start, click on setting again and open in private chat, go to the chat. Now you can see there's a lot of functionality and feature which this bot has provided us, but in this video I'm not going to go through all this first, and just to make things simple, I'm going to show you how you can send messages, automated messages to your group occurring recurringly, automatically. And all this feature I'll be showing you how to do it in my next upcoming video as well. And we click on others, and first we're gonna click on the recurring messages, and then we click add messages and we will click on the customize messages. And here, which is the messages that you want it to send either to your group or channel. You can have messages, you can have photo or video, and you probably can have a button as well in your messages. So how we are going to do it, we begin with the text, and to keep it simple, I'm going to give it the message called hello world, and we click on send. Now we have set the messages, and you can attach your messages with photos or video as well. and I click on media, and I'm going to select a picture, which is the picture of this cat. Now once we are set, we go back, and then here you can have your button follow with under your message. We click on the URL buttons, and here are some rules that show you how you can create this button. So to have your button followed by your messages, what you have to do is you give the name of the button and followed by the hyphen and the link of the button, which you want to redirect your members to maybe another website. So in this case, I'll be giving Google as for example, and we click send. Now we have our button that will redirect someone, whoever tap on this button, they will be redirected to the web page. So we click on back, and you can eventually preview what you have did just now. You click on C, this will be the button. So let's say someone click on the button and they will ask whether they want to be redirected to another website. So in this case, I've clicked no first. So what if let's say you want to have two buttons in the same row? What you're going to do is we click on URL button, and I will be remove the keyboard first to redo everything. And in this case, you're going to give the name of the button, like this, button 1, and followed by the link of the button, google.com. And you can see that it actually told you to have put the ampersand operator, then followed by the next button. So what the ampersand essentially did is actually trying to divide your button to two parts. So we click on, oh, I forgot my hyphen. We click on send. Now we have two buttons in a same row. We can actually go back and see, which is like that, button 1, and then we have button 2. You can add as many buttons as you want with the given space provided. And how about, let's just say we want to have another two button, or maybe one button below the two buttons. So we go back again, we click on remove keyboard. In this case, I'll be doing button 1 dash www.google.com, followed by ampersand, button 2 dash www.google.com, and we hit enter to go to the second row of the button, and we click button 3 followed by the hyphen, and click on www.yahoo.com. Now we click on set, and everything is set. And this time what you're going to see is two buttons in the first row and the one button in the second row. You click on C, there you go, the first button, the second button, and the third button as well. So once you are done with this, you're going to have these messages populated in your group, and you can do it by going to the repetitions, and you are given a time interval where you can set it, the messages to be sent every hour, or maybe every 2 hours, or maybe every 10 minutes. So you can see there's actually a padlock beside the numbers for 1, 2, 3, 4, which means that this feature only can be unlocked if you have pro versions. And for this case, if let's say you need to purchase it by going to buy the pro, it actually kind of worth it. It cost me like $2 and per month. And then let's say once you have unlocked it, you can use these recurring messages where your messages can send every single minute, 2 minutes or 3 minutes. So let's just say you have purchased it. All you can do is click on /pro to activate the pro versions, and this padlock will going to disappear later. Now you have make pros and go back again. I click on repetitions. Now the padlock is disappear. So I want the messages that I have set just now to be sent every single minute. So I click on the first minute and I go back. Okay, so the messages will going to send every single minute in my group later. And you can also use the feature like time, where you want the message to start sending, and you also can use the set time slot. Okay, you can use the day of the week, which day you want the message to broadcast, and then the pin messages, which mean that for every single time the message is sent, it's going to automatically pin itself for you. And the delete last messages will also be very useful, especially every time you're sending the messages and you don't want your same message just to be flooded in your group. So like I say, you are sending a messages recurringly means that you are going to send the same message over and over again. So if you enable the delete last messages, which means that your previous messages which has been sent by the bot will be deleted, and the new messages will be sent again without causing the flood messages inside your group. And then you go back and let's just see how it turned out. Okay, you can see that at the time of 2:13 a.m. the first messages is sent automatically, and then the second one is 2:14, and we will wait for 2:15, and one messages will automatically be sent by the bot as well. Alright, talking about how to grow your Telegram group or channels. For example, you want to promote something or doing a giveaway, you can actually utilize the bot to do all these things for you by constantly sending messages, so just to notify or create awareness to your audience of it. You can see a moment ago the bot just sent the messages itself automatically, and I didn't do anything. And one more thing is that your group need to be as active as possible, so to engage or build relationship with your audience. And by notifying your customer, that's how you grow your Telegram group into a community and maintain your member in the long run. And you probably don't want people to leave your group, and no one want to join an inactive group as well. Alright, that's all for today. Hope this video helped you in managing your Telegram group next time. If you find it helpful, don't forget to give it a like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next one. Thanks and bye.